Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for the Trendyol app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Trendyol app, and here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have different kinds of recommendations for brands and for articles. But then in the bottom right corner, we find this little person icon. We tap on this, and then at the top of the screen, we find login and /sign up. If we tap on this, then we can either enter our email address here, or tap on continue with Google or continue with Facebook, and then we can just select the Google account that we want to use for this account, and then we are pretty much done. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.